Welcome to Texas A&M AgriLife Extension. My name is Joanne. I'm one of the FCH agents for Texas A&M AgriLife Extension. In today's episode, our MCV, Yolanda Garza, who is our secretary for this program, will teach us how to make a mug rug. You will need 2 5x5 fabrics, 1 5x5 batting, and your sewing supplies. Now let's welcome Ms. Garza.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Yolanda Garza. I am currently holding the position of the Secretary of the MCV program. Today I'm going to teach you how to sew a mug rug. What is a rug mug? A rug mug is a coaster that you can put your drink, your coffee mug or your Diet Coke on top of your rug mug. Okay? That way, when your drink either sweats, it falls on the fabric. It's also washable, so it's a neat idea. Okay. First of all, you're going to need a 10 by 10 inch fabric, 2 of them, so your coaster can be reversible. Okay. And then, of course, you're going to need padding. First step is to cut your fabric 5 by 5 inches, both fabrics. Okay. Once you have cut your fabric, you're going to lay right side together. Okay. And then you put your padding on the top. Okay. Right side together. Make sure the right side, because I've done it the other way around too. So, and then your padding. And then what you're going to do is you're going to pin. I usually pin the corners because to me it's a lot easier when they're pinned on the corners. That way your fabric and your padding stays in place. Okay. The next step, once you have pinned it, make sure you're going to leave a 2-inch opening on your coaster. Okay, and you're going to sew from here to here, here to here, from here to here, and then you can stop. And again, what I usually do is I measure, and this is just to remind me where am I supposed to stop. Sometimes I just go all around. Okay, now once you've done that, you're going to sew 1/4 inch around. Now many of us don't know what 1/4 of an inch is, so I'm going to show you in my sewing machine. And the rule of thumb is, what it is, it's just where your fabric meets your footer. So that's 1/4. Normally that's what it is. Okay? So you're going to sew all around it that way. Okay? Now once you have sewn all around, okay, you're going to cut your threads. If you have any threads, you're going to cut them off. And of course take away your pins. And then you're going to trim your coaster 1/4 of an inch, except right here. Where your opening is, you leave that opening open. So you can cut off any excess fabric. You're going to get close to it. Be careful with the corners. I've done that too. And you're going to trim away any excess, like I said, any excess fabric you have on your corners. This will make a cleaner sewing when you're sewing close to your edge. Okay, so see this little sew it around. Okay, so I left it here. I didn't trim on the top. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to flip your inside out. Okay, that's why we left the opening, so you can flip it over. And when you flip it over, make sure your corners, you get to your corners, okay? And I've seen various ways what you can use. You can use your fingers, which normally I do. Your scissors, but be careful with your scissors. I've seen them use knitting needles to straighten out their corners. See, make sure. So there are various techniques. Sometimes I use a pin, or a pencil, whatever I have in hand, or even a ruler is a good one. Okay? Just make sure you don't press too hard that you open the fabric. Okay? See? Okay? Now what you're going to do is you're going to pin your opening. Okay? So again, get some needles. And pin. Okay. Now we're going to go and iron it so we can have a clean sewing. Iron it upside down because of the pins on top. Just it's nice. It's a little bit easier if I would when you pin it upside down. You want to make sure your corners are okay. Okay, so now we're going to go and you're going to sew it 1/8 of an inch. 1/8 of an inch is about that much. Okay, or you can sew it 1/4, whatever your preference is. Okay, all around. This is what you have. See? So you can put again, like I said, your drink, your coffee mug, or even your hot chocolate. Okay, and that we're pretty soon going to be there. So, and some ideas I have for you are this. What I did is I did 4 of them. I wrapped them in a ribbon, and I put a little point. Let me read the point for you. It says, I am a mug rug. I'm bigger than a coaster, but smaller than a placemat. Perfect for you holding your coffee or tea. Plus, I'll keep your surface free of coverings. Use me and don't be afraid to spill on me. Just wash me gently in cold water. Dry on low, and you'll be good as new. This will make perfect gifts. Secretary's Day, Administrator's Day. Christmas is coming up, so this will be nice for one to receive it. Or if you just want to give one, you can also have one. See, like this one here is just one. Maybe put it into a cup, and you're good to go. I hope you enjoy this, and happy sewing. Thank you.